It's either you know or you don't know what happens, or everything that happens for that matter. Like mind fighting mind. It's insane. It's crazy. I am confused. My brain cells loose, used with no views, excuse. I'm losing the lines and rhymes. My hypothalamus is in two pieces, choices into pieces, driven by the ideologies of idiotism. I do not seem to escape from this sickness. My medulla is on a virtual standstill, stationary ability to think enigmated, fragmented, with grammatical errors, incomplete. I am lost. I can only think of mysterious, monstrous mysteries transforming into lifetime miseries. I do not seem to make the correct choice. I am puzzled with unmoving muscles. Movement has become such a hustle. I just don't know. My brain sometimes of no use. I am confused. But of course I tried to read. But my mind would just bleed as it would leak out the information I tried to grasp. It wouldn't last. Everything would almost seep into a derailed train of thought in my dreams. Even in my sleep, lessons would always float away with the streams to distances further than the sound of my loudest screams. I tried not to be backward, but my background kept taking me back to my happy place of pain. Under the ground, in the mines, in my mind, reversing me. Now every step forward was a sudden turn into a backsliding. I was constantly thriving, not to lose. I would just lose the word win as I couldn't get a firm grip on it. It's a drift I couldn't catch, like psychological miscarriages. I didn't choose to lose, but with my hearing stone deaf, I'd most definitely snooze and lose the words of encouragement I could use. As a result, I let loose. It was painful, as if my skeleton suddenly jumped out of my clothes. I was threading onto depression's slippery floors, a worn-out soul whose skin's torn, drawing closer to insanity's open doors. I was drifting apart, consonants and vowels, continents apart, with sentences in bars. And whenever they ask, tell them I am not as sane nor the same, for I'm no longer afraid. I know now that I am a traveler to nowhere, a passenger stuck still in the middle of nowhere. I am now here, allowing these thoughts to come and go wherever they want to go. I will no longer try to control. Is one who has mastered the art of surrendering his soul, and so I will keep writing about these broken processes and promises, because these are the broken pieces of me.